Do I have to have a divorce attorney to file for divorce in Texas? That's the question we're talking about today. This is One on Wednesday. I'm Jill O'Connell. No, you do not have to have a divorce attorney in order to get a divorce in Texas. You can represent yourself. You would be called a pro se or a pro per or even a self-representer. And you can represent yourself throughout the course of the divorce. Or you can have an attorney assist you at different times of the divorce. Now, an attorney isn't required, but I would say at the very least, because there are multiple areas of focus in a divorce. If you have children, there will be a section dealing with everything that goes to the children in the divorce. If you have property, there will be several sections that deal with property, and then debts and liabilities will also be dealt with in the divorce. And then finally, the actual granting of the divorce is one of the third section of your divorce. And it's important to get all of that right. Some things can be corrected after the divorce is granted. Some things cannot. If you have an error in your divorce decree that creates an error that cannot be corrected, that is a painful thing to find out after the divorce. And I have plenty of experience of sitting on the other side of the table and having to be the bearer of bad news that I cannot correct a certain issue or mistake in the divorce decree, even when two divorcing people are in agreement that it was a mistake. So at the very least, I would say have an attorney review your documents. If you've created them yourself, have an attorney review them and make sure that what you think is in there is actually in there, and that what you want to happen is actually what's happening in the divorce decree, and that any questions you have about the legal requirements, the legal language, the meaning of the language in the divorce decree will be answered by that attorney. So short answer is no, you don't have to have an attorney in your divorce in Texas. The real answer is you should have an attorney assist you in your divorce in Texas. I'm Jill O'Connell. That's today's question. This is One on Wednesday.